Who wants to have the poops?
Come on.
Just say for what it is. It's the poops.
The poops. Yeah, nobody likes the poops. So Margaret
Namias from Facebook
asks, does lactose have the same effect on the body as fructose and glucose? What makes it harder to digest for the lactose intolerant?
Good question. So the answer to the second part of that question, what makes it harder to digest for the lactose intolerant? Basically, people who are lactose intolerant don't have an enzyme in their body to help break down that lactose.
Well, lactose is a sugar found in dairy products.
Yeah, exactly. So milk, yogurt, all that kind of stuff. So if you're lactose intolerant, you're missing that key enzyme to help break that down. Makes you fart. And it gives you the belly gurgles.
Don't be shy about it.
May give you the diarrhea.
All kinds of nastiness going on.
All that other stuff.
But you know, honestly, we don't recommend dairy for several reasons, and that's probably the main reason we don't, right? That's the main reason, because who wants to have digestive upset?
Who wants to have the poops?
Come on.
Just say for what it is. It's the poops.
The poops. Yeah, nobody likes the poops. But you guys know that we do have like pizza once in a while. Brad just had one like 10 minutes ago.
10 minutes ago. But that's just a cheat meal. So throughout the rest of the week, we don't have dairy.
So it's not a staple in our diet, but it's not like we never have it, because living lean is not about being 100% perfect all the time.
And if you don't have lactose intolerance, then yeah, you can have some of that in your diet. But if you're going to make sure you're having like the raw types of dairy is the best types you can have. Hormone-free, organic, the stuff that you're probably buying, the conventional stuff, is just loaded with a bunch of crap, and it's pasteurized, all the nutrients are dying.
But this question is not really about to eat dairy or not. It's really about, is lactose the same as fructose and glucose? Yeah, so I guess she's asking, like, does it affect your blood sugar the same way?
No, it's different. Yeah, it's different. So lactose, like you said, is just found in dairy.
Usually you're not eating it without the fat component as well. So it's not going to, like, as long as you have a fat with sugar, you're not going to have as much of an insulin spike as if you ate sugar alone. So I would say, yeah, probably not having the same effect on your blood sugar.
And I think on the glycemic index, which basically is an index to tell you how quickly your blood sugar rises after you have it, I think it's like 41 or so. So it's actually on the...
Oh, you got that.
It's actually... Huh? I have a blog post on there. It's like right around the 40s. Glucose would be...
a wealth of information.
Glucose would be a lot higher, so it's going to spike your sugar. It's going to push the insulin out there. If your sugar has nowhere to go, it's going to go into your fat cells. And then fructose is from fruit, and that typically is lower on the glycemic index.
Right, so just, to wrap things up, it's not that all sugars are bad for you, and there are different types of sugars, and living lean is not about avoiding any like certain foods completely. It's about making smarter choices.
Trans fats, we're not.
Yeah. Okay, certain things, yeah, you're right.